Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Jackpot Steel grade and verifying thickness. This determines speed and heat. Fit PPE and clamp the piece firmly so it won't shift. Next, set your cutting tool to the recommended speed or flame and make a shallow pilot pass to establish the line. This first cut prevents binding and reduces warping. Once done, inspect the edge for burrs and keep cutting parameters consistent to maintain a straight, controlled cut throughout. You continue by shaping with progressive passes, starting shallow and increasing depth to avoid stress. Control heat closely. Jackpot steel loses temper if overheated, so monitor color or sensor readings and stop before critical tempering temperatures. When grinding, apply coolant or short pauses to let the metal stabilize. This minimizes distortion and keeps dimensions accurate. Once you reach near final shape, switch to finer abrasives for smoothing. Make sure you complete the job by deburring and following the specified heat treat cycle for Jackpot steel, then apply rust protection or coating. Verify final dimensions against tolerance and do minor filing or controlled grinding if needed. If you encounter warping, clamp the part to a flat plate, reheat uniformly to the recommended annealing temperature, and allow controlled cooling to relieve stress. One troubleshooting tip: if cuts chatter or chatter marks appear, slow feed rate and increase RPM slightly to stabilize the cut.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.